The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is an act of the Indian Parliament that governs the legal aspects of marriage among Hindus, Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs. The act came into force on 18 May 1955 and was amended in 1976 to include certain provisions related to divorce. The act provides for the conditions for a valid Hindu marriage, including eligibility of the parties, prohibited degrees of relationship, and age of marriage. It also sets out the rights and obligations of spouses in a Hindu marriage, including their right to maintenance, inheritance, and joint property. The Act also provides for registration of Hindu marriages, which is optional but highly recommended. Registration of marriages is an important step towards legal recognition of the marital status and provides documentary evidence of the marriage. Provisions related to divorce, including grounds for divorce, maintenance of wives and children, and custody of children,